Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January Ipsy versus Ipsy, glam bag versus glam bag. Do you want to see what is inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my January Ipsy glam bags just arrived. One of them is my anything and everything profile, and then one of them is actually tailored to me. So I like to kind of see the difference in what they send. I'm gonna go ahead and go with my main profile, which is right here, and then we'll get into her side chick. So let's get into this. Ooh, okay, so this is really cute. I'm loving this bag. Now the Ipsy Plus for this month, because I just did it, is this. So now you can definitely see there is a big difference. The back are both the same, and it does have like the little pink. I like that, and it feels so nice and soft. It's like a different material. I don't know, that is very nice. I like that. I like that a lot. So I'm already loving the bag. It's like, I don't really need the things inside. But then there is this little pink little pull zipper tab, and it says Ipsy. So let's go ahead and get this open, dump the products out, and then we can see what we have. So now the inside of this one is like a light pink. It does have the Ipsy right there. So now they're actually putting in pricing on here. It tells you what the full size would be. So that is really neat. So now the first item that's already in my hand is this Morphe product right here. And this is actually a full size, and it's valued at $9. And this is a full coverage concealer in 1.25 soft matte. So let's see here. So there's that. And there's the color. I think that might be a little too light for me. I'm not quite sure, but I normally don't use concealer, but I know a lot of people do like under their eyes, so I might just try it out and see. Plus I like Morphe, so I'm really excited to try that out. And again, that is the full size, and it's valued at $9. And this bag is $12 with free shipping. And this amazing bag, like I'm almost saying this is probably going to be almost my favorite or second to favorite. So I'm already loving this bag already. So the next item here is Joel Smith Beauty. And this looks like it says Moonbeam Dream. This right here is a deluxe sample. The full size sample would be $18. And this is a power gloss. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's kind of like, it has like pinks and pearls. Pinks and purples, like pearl colors in there. That feels nice. And I like that it's small, because this is like one that you could toss in your purse. So I do like that. Then next we have is this product right here. And this would be a deluxe sample. The full size version of this product would be $20. And how cute, is that a nail polish? That is a really unique bottle. And I like that color blue. Ooh. It is a dark like midnight blue, but I like blues, so. There's that. That is really pretty. Okay, so the next is Pearlies. This is a Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. Gently cleanse skin, removes makeup tones, and soothes. Soap and sulfate free. This right here is the deluxe sample. The full size version of this product would be $36. And I like Pearlies products, so I'm excited to have that. I think that, I don't remember what item I chose. I think I might have chose the Morphe product. I'm not quite sure, I don't remember. Charcoal Bamboo Detoxifying Body Scrubs. And I'm gonna go ahead and just set this in a future giveaway, because I'm not huge on body scrubs, and I have so many of them right now. So this I'm not gonna open or swatch or see what it looks like inside, because this will go to one of you guys. But this is a deluxe sample, and the full size version would be $27. So there's my first bag. And again, this is based off my main profile, the same that I get my Plus membership subscription from. So let's go ahead and dive into Massage Chic. This one's the anything and everything profile, because if it's something that I'm not comfortable with, I get to save it for one of you guys. And same bag. I love this bag. And then there is one product on the outside, and this is this Luxie brush. And this one I'm not going to open because I don't really use this style brush, and I have quite a few of them. So I'd rather this go to somebody who would use it. But there's like the fan brush, and I know these are really good for highlight. This is a medium fan 560 Luxie. So I'm just gonna leave this just like that. Let's go ahead and see what the products are inside the bag. All right, I do see a duplicate. So any duplicates I do save for one of you guys. So one of you guys are gonna be able to try this Perlice product out as well. So that's awesome because, again, I love their products. Then we have in this little, this is Real Her eyeshadow. Incomparable is the color. Oh, sorry, the Luxie brush. I'm sure that's gonna tell me the... Okay, so this is the card from the first bag that I opened, and it has all the products and everything inside. So this must be clean slate is the theme for January of 2020. So this has the same front side, but then when you open it up, it says manifest your best year yet. Use this card to write out what your intentions for 2020, then share your resolutions with Ipsy. This year I'm excited for, and it gives that, but there's nothing that goes over the products. That's a bummer, because I was excited to be able to tell you pricing for once, and now I'm going back to no pricing, so no problem. So this is a Real Her single shadow, and I don't normally grab for single shadow, so I will set this aside as well. Then we have Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. So there's the outside packaging. And this is in Matchmaker. Ooh, that's different. It's like a, looks like kind of like a pillow. Look, it's all sticking up. It's like a pillow. So there's that. It looks like a baked blush. So that is really pretty. So hopefully one of you guys would definitely enjoy that. And Ciate London has some amazing products. So far, everything so far I'm putting aside. Now we have is this. And this says Mad Love 101. What is it? Okay, so it's a lip product, and it looks like it's a full size. And I have so many of this color, and again, I normally don't do anything, so I'm just gonna set this whole entire bag aside for one of you guys. So the first one I'm putting aside, was it 2 things, and this one I'm putting aside everything. So that is everything that came in my different glam bags. If you would like to see what all of the products would be for this month that they would have chose from based on your profile, then here you go. Okay, you guys, so that is all of the products that they would have chose from based on your profile. I kind of feel like sometimes they don't really go off your profile, but it's kind of nice for us to think that they have a profile that they would pay attention to. It seems like some of my main profiles are just never really, it doesn't seem like they really go off my profile, because the things that I say I never use is what I get a lot of. The things that I say I love, I don't really get that much. So it seems like it's a little contradicting, but you know, there's that, you guys. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. Which bag did you like better? Did you like my main profile? Did you like my side chick? Did you get any of the same products in yours? If you get Ipsy, are you on the fence with getting Ipsy? Leave me all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.